Hi guys. When we get into the door, we will see a home library. There are all kinds of books, English books, Chinese books, English books. Yeah, those are Dogman, Diary of VP Keys, some other, a lot.
你在干嘛？
Yeah, that's our key, Coco and Sissy. Okay, here is a Guzhen. Yeah, Coco likes to play Guzhen a lot. And that's our living room. A living room, that's our dining table, our refrigerator, and our sofa, one, sofa, two, and a small table. Oh, there is another bookshelf. Lots of books. What are they? Oh, Winnie of the Witch, right?
Yeah.
And some other books. What are these? Dr. Seuss. And this is the Elephant and the Piggy book. Yeah, a lot of them. Whoa, whoa, what are they? Two parrots, right? They're flying there. Yeah, and outside is the road. I think the outside is very beautiful. Okay, let's go to the balcony. Our kids want us to show the balcony. Balcony.
Clothes.
Yeah, our clothes. That's it. Say bye bye.
No.